will be explaining two parts of our project, which is problem statement and objective. For problem statement, there are a lot of water dispensers installed around the world. This water dispenser usually will let the user to control it manually. This type of water dispenser will cost more time and energy. In order to reduce this problem, we have to design a automated water dispenser that only need the user to choose the amount of water needed, and the machine will stop it once the amount desired is achieved. For the second part, which is objective, the project aims to meet two objectives. The first objective is to design and implement automated water dispenser. This water dispenser will only need the user to click the amount desired, which is small, medium or large, and the water will stop until the amount desired is achieved. For the second objective is to study and apply 68K microprocessor. This water dispenser will be using 68K microprocessor as its microprocessor.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Kamarul Chaitri bin Kamaluddin. I'm going to show you the simulation of the water dispenser. Okay, there are three components that are going to be used in this simulation. First is the switch, second motor, and third output LED OP. Okay, firstly, there are three switches that has been chosen, which is switch 1, switch 6 and switch 7. Those three switches has different time delay. Switch 1 has the smallest, switch 6 has the medium, and switch 7 has the longest delay. Okay, after that, this is LED OP. It provides the light as an indicator that show the process is in execution. Lastly, the motor right here will act as a water pump to pump the water. Okay, let's see the simulation, how it works. Okay, let's on switch 1. Okay, then see the time delay has the shortest delay. Then we open switch 6. This has the medium time delay, and lastly switch 7. This has the longest delay, switch 7. Next, we'll proceed with time.
Hey guys, my name is Nurain Betirapan, so I'll be discussing about the coding of water dispenser.
So hey guys, this is the declaration for begin, and this is the declaration for the parts that we use in the module. As you can see, we're using switch, motor, and as well as LED. Go to the main operation. As you can see, the main operation, the switch here, firstly, will move to D0, and it will compare with this one, this value. So when it is equal, it will go to the CK function. As you guys can see, it goes the same to the sedang function and also the banyak function. So the CK function, as you can see, the motor will run for only one cycle. Alright, so it goes the same for the sedang function and also the banyak function. So when it goes to the pros 1 function, for the pros 1 function, as you guys can see, the motor will run clockwise. NES is an own delay, and we need to subtract one cycle. If we did not subtract one cycle, the water pump will loop continuously, and when the motor reach its delay time, it will stop. Okay, so it goes the same for pros 2 and pros 3 as well. For delay, as you can see, the del 1 belongs to the CK function. As you can see here, the delay is much lower than the the delay number 2 and delay number 3. Alright? So when it goes to delay number 2, it has a little bit longer than delay number 1. And delay number 5 has the longest from delay number 1 and delay number 2. So this will be the banyak function, belongs to banyak function, and this one belongs to sedang function, and this one belongs to the sikit function.
Thank you. Okay, so the next part will be given to Charlene and Irfan. Let's go.
Hi,
My name is Charlene.
and I'm Ahmed Ifazaki Bashamzul. Now we will proceed to the question and answer. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Charlene, and I'll be talking about the Q&A. Okay, so the first question is, what is the major problem that we face while doing this experiment? Okay, so the flight or module 68K is an old version of hardware. It has limitation, so that's why our water dispenser decoding cannot do a better performance and absolutely did not exceed our expectation. Okay, so the second question is, what do we need to improve in order to have a better performance? Okay, the first answer to this question is, we need to provide an up-to-date version of hardware or the latest version in order to have a better performance. The second answer is, you need to have a very strong fundamental knowledge in C programming, because if you don't, you will face difficulties while completing this project.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Ifazaki Bashamzul. Now we proceed to the question 3. The question is, what is the major problem in the coding? Firstly, low number of input, so low varieties, because we only develop for coins only, which is 10, 20 and 50 cents. Second major problem is this machine has looping coding, so if the coins stuck in the machine, it will continuously trigger the switch infinitely. The last question is, what is the motor function in real life? The motor function will replace with water pump. That's all from us.